Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a Metal Toys C-Top right over here for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below, check out Fablades.com and at Fablades on Instagram, and let me know what you guys think about those kind of posts. So here you have this pretty cool toy which comes with this hard case, plastic hard case with a little bit of padding on the inside, and inside you're gonna find this tiny little haptic coin which is like, look at this, 1.2 inches in diameter, so it's really tiny, it's kind of small, it's pleasant, so it has a very sleek construction because no screws, you're not seeing anything. You have a very rounded off and concave bottom with a sad crying face, and on the front you have these milled out areas to create a little bit of grip, of course, when you swing and just spin the top face out. So if you try to pull this guy, it's not gonna come off. So I still have to figure out how to disassemble this fella, because if you hold here it doesn't work, so there must be either press fit or I don't know. I see definitely there's some mechanism over here, and definitely it's spinning on the back, so that I'm not sure. I'm not gonna try to break this fella, but it's good looking, very cool, minimal approach to the Fidget toy haptic coin. A nice concave design and very cool sound. It can also be, this is the least loud I can have it, and this is the loudest noise you can produce, so not too bad, but kinda is not completely quiet. It's a pretty cool one, very simple, also pretty light. You can toss this in your pouch or pocket or wherever. You're not gonna notice 1.26 ounces, so it's pretty sleek, pretty cool looking, nice sound, has a good feel. The haptic clicks are not too strong, but definitely it's a pleasant one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.